what's up? Welcome back, my
Smoothie recipe detox. Colon cleansing. Banana.
Lemon,
Lime juice.
and
Cucumber. Spinach. Pineapple.
and also
Water.
pineapple. Okay, so this for detox for colon or pot belly lace. Okay, so let's go to make this a
1 cup
detox.
of spinach, then we need banana, we need 1 cucumber, 1 lemon lime, and 1 banana. Combine together, and 1 cucumber, put it here, and then 1 banana, and then we add 1 cup of water, and we do it with blender. Let's see. Yan na po. Tingnan natin. Wow. So every morning, if you want to do it, why not we will try? Because it's very healthy. This is for my hubby. And this is for mine. Of course. 1 cup for my hubby and 1 cup for me. Okay, thank you for watching mga kasis, mga kabrad. Hope na makakuha din kayo ng idea to do it every morning, very healthy and protect to the man, especially to the man for colon cancer. Okay? Yeah, thank you for
Okay,
watching.
thank you for
Bye-bye.
watching, and so please subscribe and like. Oh, bye bye. Thank you, thank you.
Okay?
Randy TV.